Good morning, students. Today we move on to a new topic named weather and climate. Are these two terms same? No, they have different meaning. But we felt that these two terms are same because in our daily life you may have heard that what type of weather it is, how is the climate today, these comments. So today we are going to study the clear explanation about weather and climate. Weather, it is the condition of atmosphere. What is atmosphere? Our earth is surrounded by a thin layer of air. That thin layer of air covering the earth, we are saying atmosphere. So here we are talking about weather. It is the condition of atmosphere at a particular place and time. So here place is very important. For example, in Abu Road, sometimes we have different weather. But in Mumbai, sometimes we may be facing another weather condition. So, place is very important in case of weather. Then time. Time is important. For example, in the early morning, when you wake up, that time, what weather you are experiencing? Normally, cool weather. But we know that when the sunrise, as per the sunrise, when the hot sun rays are coming, then we are feeling more hot weather. So, climate, weather, these two terms we feel same, but they are not same. They have different meanings. So, time is important here. For example, morning time, I told that cold climate. But when the sunrise, then we are facing the hot climate. Then after sometimes we may be getting the clouds. So dark clouds are there. So we are facing the cloudy weather. Then after some time we may be facing another matter. Sometimes these clouds may start raining. So we are facing the rainy weather. And in the evening, we may be facing the cold weather because already we get the enough rainfall. So, these all are different matters with regard to weather. So, when we are saying about weather, we can say that it is changing as per the time and as per the place. So, as per the place, it will change. As per the time, it will change. Now, next one, climate. What is climate? It is the average weather condition over a long period of time. Average. What is the meaning of average? Average means we are taking weather conditions for a long period of time, maybe 10 years, maybe 20 years, maybe 30 years we are taking. Then what we are doing? We are adding all the weather conditions. Then we are divided by the number of years. Then we are getting the average. For example, here, first year weather condition may be 10. Maybe 10. Second year maybe weather condition 20. Then third year weather condition may be 10. Then fourth year maybe again 20. Then what we are doing? We are adding all the things. Then we are getting 60. Then what we are doing? How many years we are looking? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 60 divided by 4. Then we are getting 15. So this is the climate. So, climate means we are taking the weather condition over a long period of time. So, very important thing, here we are taking average. So, we are taking average weather condition. So, what is the benefit when we are taking average? It will be more or less constant. It will not change much. But if it is weather, whether it is always changing. How? As per the time also it will change, as per the place also it will change. So, normally when we are talking about these things, in our daily life we are normally saying that weather. But when we are taking the climate, we are taking for the long period. So, normally it will not change. It will be more or less same. So, we talked about these two terms, weather and climate. So, we are just mentioning the important difference. First one, here, this one it is changing. This one, what is the matter? Constant. And when we are saying that weather we are saying the small concept. Climate we can say that it is a big concept because it includes weather condition over many years. So, we can say that this is normally big concept because it includes weather. Now, the people who are studying about weather, what we are calling meteorologist. The people who are studying about climate, we are using the word climatologist. So, we have learned about the people studying weather and studying climate. Now, we move on to the factors affecting the climate. Look at here, clearly we are mentioning climate because we are studying more importance to the climate because climate is more or less constant. So, normally what we are doing, we are taking decision depending on the climate. But in case if we are looking decisions depending on the weather, it is changing. So, we can't take the decision on the basis of weather. So, we are depending on the climate. So, first we are talking about the latitude. What is latitude? Latitude we have already learned that is many parallel lines are there, horizontal lines moving from east to west or from west to east. We think that earth is a round model. So, many lines are moving there. These type of lines. These we are saying horizontal lines or parallel lines. These are moving from east to west or from west to east. These lines we are saying latitudes. So, in this which line we are drawing first? The middle line, that is equator. This is how much degree? 0 degree. Degree normally we are showing upside small 0. So, this is the middle line. So, latitude, what is the meaning? Each place, how much distant it is from equator. As per that, climate is also changing. So, first we are talking about many latitude lines. So, here Tropic of Cancer is there. Here Tropic of Capricorn is there. Here Arctic Circle is there. Here Antarctic Circle is there. So here we have seen the important latitudes. Many latitudes are there, many lines are there, but here we are looking only the important latitudes. So next topic we will discuss in the next class. So thank you.